situation chu khana se haiba ma
Yes.
then meeting si na pi di bamagi implications mayam du khana se haiba ma
Okay.
meeting si organize tawri sigi actual intent si kadom chali ge haiba ma aduga meeting si na taseng na conflict si or crisis si resolve tawna na bahona wada mating pangdoribra natraga hena problem create tawdoribra haiba ma si po mayam se khoi kupna yengobom changi miras ai hanam da point dum puthok chage
Yes.
Ministry of Home Affairs na ngarang gi meeting si loira matungda makoina
Press release.
public release am tawrei ko moi sai logo ga tawba ma firan ga yawba ma tawu to ade da moina seasonal pa if we read between the lines 𝗘𝗣𝗟𝗏 indicate tawsale 𝗘𝗣𝗟𝗏 haibisina entity ma ohelle ethnic entity ma Meitei sina entity mo hele Naga sina entity mo hele
Exactly.
what is the government of India trying to do
Exactly.
kaino moin tawning se kaino if adugi line da if the constitution of India identifies certain MLAs certain legislatures in that line adu tadi ngarangi pangthokriba meeting si it was convened by an Oriya MP BJP MP aided by a Bihari retired IB officers adwaini igado moina
Absolutely, absolutely.
not as a home ministry gi home officials in unagre IBR
Yes, yes.
it is convened by an Oriya MP from BJP aided by a Bihari IB retired officer she hakado
Community line below identify
whole country to so we have a home minister Gujarati home minister am I hagado India home minister now
under the direct supervision of the Gujarati
home
minister.
minister am I hagado and adugi pochima moi they have to rectify this awano pokta Manipur da moina ethnocentric ideas is sum assert tawge haiba moi romdana sum assimilate tawraga homogenize tawge haiba what is this politics akoy anga gunate akoy yengi ni munna tamo shanti se Indian Army officer retired Indian Army officer Meitei retired Indian Army officer
Exactly, exactly.
tamo how do you want to identify yourself
Yeah, I'm
Absolutely.
Indian Army officer.
Yes.
but they want you to identify as a Meitei Indian Army officer
I don't take it.
they are doing that aduni dai haijai sigi yamna phattaba they are injecting venom in every steps they do sigi process chumthoktana makoina initiative ne lori sing se this will all remain futile kaim kanaroi they are trying to balkanize the state they are trying to break the state in the name of ethnic identity adu tadi government of India gi moigi initiative si sincere oide holistic oide have sin adum takchei
Absolutely.
akhoi yaning de si shoya yaning de number 2 da initiative ma lowe have si akhoi everyone is happy akhoi shu yamna
Exactly.
ha lowe ne have akhoi yam nungai ki but makoina Manipur dagi pick and choose to legislators on what criteria is there a standard norm kamai pick and choose to know kadi condition de to know
Yes.
Kanana propose to know this is a government decision si lanai look mana group mana tawning pangtok to ya ba nate ba the country is run by a written law set of laws there should be certain set of rules natro there should be certain set of modus operandi how you are going to proceed any public interest issues by the government adu poto akhoi loina kan tho isi kai gino sima yam seriously yengadong ni miras ko number 2 da legislature kauraga tawsibudi moi government gi midyeng dagi ultimately people's representative have to moino oire ko yara but they should invite the legislators of Manipur not Kuki MLA not ngasi Manipur da thui ba irang si Union Home Minister na haibada ethnic conflict ne na haire ko ethnic conflict between the Meiteis and Kuki na haire ba aduna Kuki ga Meitei ga phamin raga losalandoi ne na haire ba adu tadi Hari ba posi lotion na mo hana bada moina primary stakeholder ne na kauriba. Kuki gi MLA meti gi MLA na tauri se. Adu tadi assembly banung dasu conflict se itni conflict tauraba. Manipur assembly se itni conflict like rabra. Has the ethnic conflict entered the floor of the house of the state assembly? Tau di hai targa di kai gi no moina community based legislator khangal wari sadoi manum kai no. Pun phamin dhani hari kai gi no.
Datho ngasai datho pada aha bada palamba kuki jo mar haidana yam hyphenated community si hapchal ise pulap se hana kuki hairam badagi habada.
They are legitimizing the movement of ngasai gi mogi kuki gi separate idea movement do adugi stakeholders me adu entity moina sindiri ni moina they are legitimizing it when the ministry gi official release da hapak paisa it becomes legal.
Exactly.
So that's what they are trying to do. Ana koi miyam di shon micham miyam di wa bani na wari chabo hawri phagre ma tawre na khalle ba kashu kai de khushu miyam wa ba si yeng ga thun lotion bu di loi pa mi ne ba but it cannot be in this way sigi mong si tawra ga di miyam gi awa ba di matam khare kok thok ki ba lebak ti loi rane Manipur will not exist anymore if they keep on asserting like this. Aduna sigi poche koi defend tawgadra natraga sigi se duma koi yahalaga satkadra hai basa si miyam ne lepata.
Okay. Ado the question lies maroina tamosanti ga sanara ko wari sida aikoi gi interest kamaina put forward tawgadage aduga ngasai gi sidagi chak tampaki sakribe MLA sing duna aikoi gi shanti gi oi wafam du kakane ba palle aikoi gi oi ba concrete agenda ma puthuaga anda ngasai gi media da thamam wafam leitri ba yes meeting to da soidan pukhalam gane habagi thajabadi lei matang sida kuki community da puthore ive agenda ma moigi demand ma madudu oina bargain tawbagi moongda chattaro river natraga aikoi gi yam concrete oiba yamna agenda ma ikoi interest ma put forward to godra haibasini live question the public te live apprehension di ada datho buna ju yam toina phongdo ga lakpaji yes santi lakpa yai issue se resolve to yai but not at the cost of our interest ikoi manipur gi historical reality aduga ikoi gi manipur gi pluralistic social cohesion se affect to godaba aduga sida mangjeraga lakpa piece to di ikoi pamde haibi ofam ji di hana degi datho bu lakre si ofam ji ka ba yeng
कोई ना तोंगाना कोई community की और कोई की indigenous people की हजिक इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ने कोई डिमांड में तो वही मथो कम तादे
okay
तो वो मुझे थोकते because हजिक थोड़ी भी रंग सीधा कोई interest कहीं नो what is our interest do we have an objective do we have a purpose do we have a agenda सिगी conflict सीधा सिगी crisis सीधा कोई involved option भी सिगी कोई की purpose कहीं लेगी है सीधा कोई दी we have been dragged in कोई ransom तो बनी we have been held hostages by those aggressors against the state governments मागी move to the state government ना मोई की तो वो illicit and illegal activities में हम दो control तो उन्होंने बा contain तो उन्होंने बा action पाई खलक पदा अदुदा थोलक पर resistance तो ना government का directly confront तो वो नमक तब दगी they held hostages the civilian population अदुदा ने वे कोई involved तो उसी थी और कोई ना government दा only hide this territory is our territory कोई की लेबाग नहीं नत्रो सी कोई की लेबाग नहीं कोई ना government दा only hide सी लेबाग से sanitize तो लेबाग से secure तो लेबाग से की मागी security तो फजना create तो कोई मफम सी we want to live and grow natro akoi di settled community ni we are settled civilizations akoi na kari ahen ba demand no kai do bi to do no akoi na to do we have to work hard malem gi global competition yaw ngam na hona ba du ne akoi gi thodi atai akoi na kaim da india da akoi kai demand to ni ai leke everything has to be done by the government akoi gi le state government ji khutang da chacha ga do ne ba makoi rong gi di kuki rong gi sai ki di they wants to what do you say they want to bifurcate certain territories from the state so that mogi larger jalingam gi aspirations to adu achieve to na ba Chin state Manipur gi occupied territories Mizoram pullaga Jolland sembagi Mizoram gi hanagi mogi MNF ki kari gi mogi lejaram ba mogi aspirations to adu achieve to na gi chatharak pa strategic move amane moi gidi adu ne ba adu gi resistance to the India government na thengno haibane ko hai si moi na ngamde ko thengnani haibane ko lamdi chat piaro haibane si mai clear oi re ko atopa mana miras ai am tang haijage ba sida hojiki miras na court toriba makoi gi MLA sing na thadorpa makoi gi release to peace dialogue ki prerequisites sama moi pire but you just go through the next para Kuki jo MLAs they have already surrendered to the armed groups KNO UPF to surrender to officially moi haijage no the Kuki jo MLAs also emphasize their full confidence in the leadership of the KNO UPF and confirm that they have no additional demand beyond those already presented by the KNO UPF KNO UPF na piri ba demand du gi wa ma mo gi oina kaim leite akhoi di moi na haibu lo yare haire ba so handak tagi hona Kuki gi MLA to wari sabe ma thok ta dre ba they are insignificant after this letter after this press release they are after this declaration they are insignificant now hojiti makhoi wari sabe ma thok ta dre KNO UPF ki leaders singa wari sa do India government na adu ta di KNO UPF ki leaders singa India government wari sa tar ga di KNO UPF ki leaders are all foreign origins foreign origin armed group ka India government Manipur ki territory ka deal toga bargain toga yi wari sadoi ba let's see adida India government ka maina proceed to gaya do we are waiting eagerly
okay
masi proceed to ko da Manipur miyam na ka maina response to gaya so India government so khangane man
okay
this is the ultimate tamo loire sida sidagi maning handone I cannot be rolled back si mo officially thok ra bache ni ana India government music KNO UPF ka wari saba silent hawking masana su official interview da this crisis can be resolved only not by engaging between CSOs it can be resolved only through two groups and government and masana su high grabani madu reaffirm tore MLA sing su moi masagi rights and privilege punamak su moi na mokhoi da surrender to thokre they have already hand over adun makha ta bada Kuki ge MLA sing further discussion to bugi mathok kaim ta dre sigi issue sida aduga KNO UPF ki leaders sing India government ge engage to matam di those are all foreign leaders India manung da changjal aga to bani na evidence hard evidence no leramni na India government masi further talk ta agadi we have to do something beyond the purview of the Indian government upaliti to tamne
absolutely datho basida atopa report am da pujarake BJP gi yamna vocal oiba among the Kuki jo community gi marakta gi have dare Paulina Hawkik ki mahak statement amakak masida report tori yerai court Paulina Hawkik na phongdok khivasi high meeting si I was and 𝗞𝗛𝗟 haidara BJP ke the same ML of BJP even Prime Minister Modi ki mayok to ho kaya na ngangraba ikoki Kuki ke ML amani aduga taken to be one of the hero in the present conflict among the Kuki community mak na haigi baji ngarang meeting si I was amadi 𝗞𝗛𝗟 aduga central government na lakadoriba ningtham mifam parliament ki ningtham mifam winter session sida 𝗞𝗛𝗟 sigi oina mamang da pangthokpa 𝗞𝗛𝗟 amade I was ni mit ki komai ni ka datho ba kai ninge adu mak si invite to ki adu meeting se saruk ya khide mang na phone ko form se datho ba kai mole
no they are playing double game makoi si yamna deceitful oiba duplicit character chain ba ja chingi man amane habisi mang da nagagi leader man so high grade never trust them never trust them they are the most deceitful and treacherous group in a high level maja in high benati I'm just quoting what the leader said adu madu proof ta we man di shom na kanda Kuki jo MLA mayam na official press note thok na declare tawre mana sona kanda adu gi contradiction da muk statement am pire adu ta ga di moi masen gi marakta leinai poche kaino haiba question am thok tro ana mana sanare si hayeng sona kangi position choira gana he is going to say that ai haidra adu sona kangi position chumna chala gana mana mangi haiba statement si ma thaido ga mucha joction duine ana mana ngangi bawasi he is completely sagi kaheta re trying to deceive me am the confusion create tawrini si mo gi tactics ni
okay
hana chu masi confusion create to statement me am le re
okay That another question first question to continuation the state government sigi yam firm oi state nama ekoi manipur gi ngangkhoi kai bi aroi manipur gi territory kai bi aroi leiba administrative status quo si si thugai rak pa yaroi habagi wapom amadi kai rak manipur chief minister gi makai gi thamba leikre now the real question lies on separate administration wari sanaba howdringai da han conditions separate administration pigi dog ne haire adu itaragadi separate administration jina bargaining chips oina puthora kan da habatare masidagi to some extent habatare kaigumba kharadi will get something out of it amuna ngasai hai ki bafamba chanba lepa chanba gi whole analogy madagi metaphor do pusala kan da kaigumba kharadi handaki conflict sidagi cookie jo community gi oina status quo se thugai ra kan da will get something out of it habagi mogi will lamadi thorak pra habagi wafam dune da thoba kamai wi masi poche amadu da khoi gi interest effect go doini kamai
sigi negotiation sina kaimta conclusive to bunga moy
okay
kaigino ai haijake talk si initiate torpagi context itself is wrong kaigino hai kanda union home minister na manipur da thoi bi rang si ethnic conflict ne hai ri ba
yes
kamai ethnic conflict oi ri no ba
chief of the defense staff army chief
everyone is saying now han hairam de tuje haire ai background tung pizza ge ba just go back a little bit before 3rd May 2018 da Manipur government na they launched 3 particular campaign war on drugs drive against forest encroachers identification of illegal villages sigi porhum se initiate tong matam da there was an eviction tong matam da maximum evicted Pangan community ne number of houses evicted from encroachment is the Muslim Meitei Pangal community second comes the Meitei, third comes the Naga, and the least was the Kuki. Only 59 house. Aduga, they were the most, you know, most resisting groups. They were the one who were opposing the most with violent means. Kaigino. Adumaina tawra matungda violent agitation mayam chathare mathang. March ki tang tara da thokri birang do. Mete yaubra. Kana yauge Pangan yaubra, Naga yaubra. Nobody was there. It was between the government and the resisting Kuki groups. April ki tang kuma panda chua sampura thoki birang do mete yaubra. Naga yaubra, Pangan yaubra. Nobody was there. It was between the government and the resisting Kuki groups. Then they decided for another peace rally on 3rd May. Then they almost marched towards 13 kilometers towards the Meitei villages and start targeting and attacking with some false pretexts. Adu kandu da Meitei singdu victimized tawra banina misu sauninge retaliate tawninge swaida phanga retaliate tawre. That is how the nature of conflict transcended from one root key, main root causes to another level of violence.
Okay.
Adu da the government of India na marak tagi pick up to how would they have to get till today Kuki group na ngasi taliba mogi whatever demands akoi na somna kanda evacuation tawdana May gi tang mari manga dagina 11 May bo evacuation tawbal loidri 9-10,000 Kuki stranded civilians may ama chambado hoin chindori ne akoi na mang tharaga pura saluri ne ada pallaga leba community atai me am metai me am le puthore ne me tara ma thoida pura loire exercise evacuation gi me tara ni thoida jiki highway mele me am sina separate administration PO na India gi prime minister da memorandum letter thajala minatro ngasi ngarang gi demand ate ba so it was preempted Hana already anticipate or they just need a context or circumstances to float their demand. Spark amakal da kale bido adu spark to lobo kaltane ba adu India government na kamai na conclude to inova masi mete ga kuki ga hana bani khana bani na kamai conclude to sele inova si protection la le adu Manipur government na hana paikhat gi thabak sing do mapung phana lo sele lo hana ching do opium poppy cultivation pangtang na 1,20,000 acres to ri base masi India government concern oi da bra wave after wave military unta na maram unrest na maram Myanmar dagi changjal lei list lei myam ꯒꯝꯐꯥꯖꯣꯜ ꯗ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯒꯝꯐꯥꯖꯣꯜ ꯗ ꯄꯔꯃꯅꯦꯟट ꯀꯣꯇꯦꯖ ꯁꯥꯖꯜꯂ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯖꯜꯂ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟट ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
absolutely
सिगुम थबक मैम से अमत तौदना मखोई आर्म ग्रुप फॉरेन ओरिजिन फॉरेनर्स लीडर सिंगना लीड तौबा आर्म ग्रुप ना डिमांड तौबा पॉलिटिकल डिमांड खरा मसी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट कंसीडर तौनी हाइर तारगदी इट इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड द लिमिट ऑफ मणिपुर पीपल्स टॉलरेंस and it is going to be devastating.
It is going to be devastating. People na soy den resist or can you have any
ana akoina point ham joge aduna akoina sigi matang da akoina wari satar ga su we will talk with the government of India.
Okay.
Nobody else kuki akoi wari sana maram lekte we have no agenda, we have no purpose to discuss with them moi na tawdo demand su akoina madu gi da yes no sungai hairoi we have our own akoi maintain to go ba sigi magi identity na ka do ba akoina maintain to go ba status kom lai it has to be maintained.
That how I question khayam lawr ga ai tamoda laksa hoge aduga ai kakada roi bese laksa ge habatar question am khaju thore is yes akhoi gi lady status ko zi magi informal terms study kai di na lawr ga so on all grounds bifurcate over available akhoi gi administration si ngasagi starting from P1 dei horaga different manipur gi home department da lady thabuk toribo me every department da lady me amse loi bifurcate over including Manipur university colleges higher secondary schools and all si me amse da ngasagi chama na maitai gi yum mayam ama Churachandpur da leiram base adagi then maitai gi yum mayam ama Mori da leiram base sigi wari si to the level of ekoi analogy ma pusala agadi kabu bele ekoi oram habi film du lakadra habi ki question sineba concern di in reality that hoba maitai mayam ma Churachandpur da leiram me habi se history o hogodor ba habi question sineba that hoba kari habi
no oi roi adudi hujik si gi didi akoina tawdo si di hujiki hariba driving force ama kuki rongi hujik leriba force hai si force contain tawde yaro सीधा तो कोई ना हान दगी है इसे सिंग द तौरिबा आर्म मूवमेंट सी इंडिया की थारे इबा सेंट्रल फोर्सेस में यामसिना कया यामना कंटेन तौनबा कया यामना एग्रेसिवली रिगोरसली थबो पाइखल लगे क्या पाइखल लगे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर से कोई रिस्टोर तौरबरा अदुना त्रो कोई ना आइना आदा चलका दाइना लाउजरी से the entire population have been held hostages for more than 500 days and the government of India is remaining complicit. This is the kind of themselves do to in Tole is again over. Kulai Parago, which is Chatan, how can the government of India tolerate this? She should be yabro. She cracked down towards you, both sides towards you, Kara Hirena. She told the commission the government of India is not sincere, it's not holistic in their approach. We will talk with the government of India.
Okay, we'll talk with the government of India.